Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button, like, comment, and share my videos. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I am participating in the DIY Mommy 2019 Decor and Decorate Challenge. The DIY Mommy has a fantastic channel and a blog, and she does all sorts of amazing things. So if you haven't subscribed to her, you need to go check out her channel and see what she's all about. I have the DIY Mommy's channel link and the playlist link in the description box below. Please don't forget to go check out the playlist and the DIY Mommy's channel and see all of the great creations that everyone has come up with. For this challenge, I decided to create a little ornamental Christmas tree. So the first thing I needed was some Christmas trees. So I picked up 3 of these white Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree.
As I said earlier, these trees are really skimpy, so that's why I chose 3. So the first thing I need to do is attach the feet to one of the trees. Next, I'll fluff out the tree, and when these are packed, the branches are kind of pushed towards one side, so you have to kind of work it and twist them around to make sure that you've got branches all the way around. I don't need the plastic piece at the bottom, so that just easily pulls right off. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff this second tree, but I'm only going to fluff it out to one side. So basically I'm going to make it half of a tree, and I'll do this for the third tree as well. Now that I've got one full tree and 2 halves of a tree, I'm going to just put them together and use cable ties to tie the 3 trees together. Making sure that I put a cable tie down at the bottom, in the middle, and at the top, because I want these to be very secure. Once all 3 trees are tied together, I'm going to go ahead and fluff the trees again, making sure that I've got the same type of fullness all the way around. Check out the fullness of this tree. You would have never thought that this came from the Dollar Tree.
Now that the tree is all fluffed and nice and full, I'm going to go ahead and add some filler ingredients. And this is what I picked up at the Dollarama for $2. It's a really nice, pretty silver glitter bush. And I'm going to take these apart and add them to the tree.
One thing that I really like to do is to pull off all the individual little branches and not use a bush the way it actually comes from the store, because I want to be able to add little bits and pieces all over the place. So I'm just going to strip these little branches off, and I'm going to cut about 6 of them in half because I want to add these fillers to the top of the tree, and those branches are quite a bit shorter than the regular size branches. I decided to add some red berries because I thought the combination of white, silver, and red would be really pretty. I'm going to take my snips and I'm going to cut off little bits of these berries, probably in bunches of maybe 5 or 6, and then maybe some smaller bunches of 1 or 2, and place them around the tree. Not sure if I mentioned this, but I'm sure you saw me wielding my glue gun, so that's what I'm using to attach all of these embellishments. I'm starting with the larger bunches of berries, and those I'm going to put more towards the stem of the tree, so more in the middle, and then the smaller berries will make their way out to the ends of the branches. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's starting to take on a little bit of a pink effect. I think the reflection of the berries is starting to make the branches look a little bit rosy. Anyhow, the next step I'm going to do is take some of these little mirror ball ornaments that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not going to bother taking the little strings off because you don't really see them, but I'm going to go ahead and glue some of these in and around the tree, some on the edges of the branches and some in the center, just to give this tree a little bit more glitter. One more thing that I added to the tree was the little silver filler balls that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I do apologize, I totally turned my camera off at that point, but I ended up gluing one of those little balls on every single end of the stem on the tree.
Now that the tree's all complete, I need something to put it in instead of just having the 3 little plastic stands at the bottom. So what I decided to do was take a little crate that I picked up at Dollarama. If you don't have a Dollarama in your area, Dollar Tree might have similar crates. This one's a kind of a bit more of a heavy weight. Michael's also has these little crates and different sizes and that, so you could use anything like this.
I decided to use Country Gray, which is a Rust-Oleum chalk paint, and I'm going to give this just one coat. I'm also going to make sure that I go down about 2 inches on the inside of the crate, just in case anything is showing when I put the tree in. The paint is dry, so I want to do a little bit of distressing on it. So I'm using some burnt umber acrylic paint, and I'm going to use a dry brush technique. I'm going to use very little of the brown, and I just want to kind of go through and brush it in the direction of the wood grain. When I dry brush, I dip a little bit of the brush into paint, I dab a lot of the excess off, and then using a very light touch, I go across the project in the direction of the wood grain. The tree stand pieces are too big for my little crate, so I'm just holding the tree in the middle of the crate, and I'm just going to mark with my pencil where I need to snip those ends off. The tree fits perfectly into the little crate, and I'm just going to put some hot glue on the bottom of the plastic feet and glue it in.
I really love the way this little tree turned out. I was going to possibly give it as a gift for someone, but I really love it myself, so I think I might keep it for now. I want to thank the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge and giving us the opportunity to share our creativity. Don't forget to go in.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share the video. And if you haven't already done so, please click that red button just below the video to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing lots of great Christmas decorating ideas in the weeks to come. See you again soon.